Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Apple Pencil 2 is not charging after a long time of not using it, don't worry, this is a common issue, and in today's video I will show you exactly how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to start with proper attachment. So you need to attach your Apple Pencil 2 to the magnetic side of the iPad. Just make sure that it snaps firmly into the place. Now you need to unlock your iPad and check if the charging pop-up appears. If not, you can go to the settings, then you can just simply come inside Bluetooth. Over here, tap on the Apple Pencil and then you just have to basically reconnect it. Now sometimes the connection drops after long inactivity. Now you need to reset your system as well. For that you need to detach your Apple Pencil, then restart your iPad completely. After it turns back on, simply attach the pencil again to the magnetic strip. Wait for a few seconds and check if charging starts again. Now this fixes the glitches that are blocking the charging process. Now if it still doesn't charge, you can check the hardware. Make sure that you clean the flat side of the Apple Pencil and the iPad edge with a dry cloth. Sometimes the dust or debris can block the proper contact. Leave the pencil attached for at least 10 to 15 minutes, even if no battery shows initially. If it still doesn't respond, the battery may be deeply discharged or degraded after long inactivity. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.